My name is Mr. Darlington. So today we are going to learn the sound E. E. Okay, now this sound goes with E and EA that says E. So we're going to take words with the sound E. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. So today we're going to be looking at words with sound E that goes with the EE and the EA. Let's take the words with sound E. B, C, beat, read, meet, be, see, seal, week, teach, feet, scream, steal, speak, keep, team, heal, meet, sleep, cheap. So these are words with sound E. So write out 5 words, each with sound E, and put in your textbook. See you next time. Cheerio, everybody.